A very happy National Sports Day to all of you. I, Riddhi Goyal, and my friend Arushi Aswal, proud Urbachinians and sports enthusiasts, feel privileged to welcome you all to this virtual assembly on National Sports Day. अपने हौसले के बल पर प्रतिभा अपनी दिखा देंगे, इतनी करेंगे हम हिम्मत, सूरज खुद को ही बना लेंगे. These golden words were spoken by the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who amazed the world with his fitness, stamina and hockey stick, and brought exceptional laurels by winning gold medals in Olympics for India. And in his honor, his birthday is celebrated as the National Sports Day in our country, also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas. Let us all watch a PPT presented by Bhumi of class 11C, which will enlighten us about this great hockey legend.
National Sports Day, the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand Singh. This day marks the birthday of Indian hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who brought glory to the country by winning 3 Olympic gold medals. What is the National Sports Day? India celebrates its National Sports Day every year on the 29th of August. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. 29th August happens to be the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by his extraordinary sporting skills. He was the greatest hockey player India has ever seen. The awards and achievements of Major Dhyan Chand. For his extraordinary services to the nation, the Government of India celebrates Dhyan Chand's birthday, the 29th of August, as National Sports Day. The Indian Postal Service issued a postage stamp in his memory, and the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. He was honoured by the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in the year 1956. Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905. He was known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals during an era where India dominated field hockey. His influence extended beyond these victories as India won the field hockey event in 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. He was known as the wizard or the magician of hockey for his superb ball control. Chand played internationally from 1926 to 1949. Also, he scored 570 goals in 185 matches according to his autobiography Goal. The Government of India awarded him India's third highest civilian honour of Padma Bhushan in 1956. His birthday 29th August is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India every year. India's highest sporting honour, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, is named after him. The Major Dhyan Chand Award, officially known as Major Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games, is the lifetime achievement sporting honour of the Republic of India. Instituted in 2002, the award is given only to the disciplines included in the events like Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Championship and World Cup, along with cricket, indigenous games and parasports. The nominations for a given year are accepted till 30 April or last working day of April. A 9-member committee evaluates the nominations and later submits their recommendations to the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports for further approval. Dhyan versus Hitler. Shri Dhyan Chand was among those who made Hitler his fan, and Hitler requested him to accept Germany citizenship and play for Germany, and in return he would get as much money as he asked for. Also, he would be the head of his army. But Chand refused, saying he does not play for money but for country.
What an amazing man! Today, we Arvachinian celebrate our National Sports Day with all sportsmanship spirit. The sole reason behind celebrating the National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports. It is a gala celebration of sporting talent in our country. Most importantly, this day celebrates every sport as an equal, and the limelight is not cast separately, but shines bright on every one of them, kindling the fire and passion within all. Here we begin with a Hindi poem by Manvi of class 7, which will certainly fill your heart with excitement and zeal. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। खेल हमारे लिए बहुत आवश्यक है क्योंकि वे हमें समयबद्धता, धैर्य, अनुशासन और समूह में काम करना सिखाता है। यदि हम खेल का नियमित अभ्यास करें तो हम अधिक सक्रिय और स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं। खेल न सिर्फ शारीरिक शक्ति देता है बल्कि मानसिक शक्ति भी बढ़ाता है। हमारे जीवन में खेलों का बहुत महत्व है। इसी विषय पर मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है खेल अति आवश्यक। खेल में भी करियर बनाने लगे हैं युवा, अपने हुनर का दम दिखाने लगे हैं युवा। जो उनके खेल के खिलाफ थे अब उनको भी अपने खेल से चौंकाने लगे हैं युवा। मौका नहीं मिलता बेटियों को, इस बात का गम है। जिन बेटियों को मौका दिया उन्होंने दिखाया अपना दम है। कुछ भी कर सकती हैं बेटियां, उन्होंने कर दिखाया है। कई गोल्ड मेडल लाके पूरी दुनिया को बताया है। बच्चे हो या बूढ़े सबको पसंद है खेल कूद। खेलों से अच्छा हो जाता है हमारा मूड, ताकत के साथ साथ बढ़ता है दिमाग, पूरे शरीर में लगती है तंदुरुस्ती की आग। खेलने से होता है बीमारियों का नाश, खेल भी एक आहार है अपने लिए खास। मेहनत और विश्वास से हम भी होंगे बड़े, पदक जीत कर सबसे आगे होंगे खड़े। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल भी जरूरी है, दोनों आपस में जुड़ी हुई एक कड़ी है। धन्यवाद।
Beautiful recitation. This poem has completely set the mood for this event. In 2019, on this day, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi launched the Fit India movement and told us about the aim of the movement, which is to encourage people to prioritize sports and fitness in their day-to-day lives and make fitness a daily mantra. As the country battles the COVID-19 pandemic on a war footing, we know that staying active is one of the best ways to keep our bodies and mind healthy. But did you know? It can also improve our overall well-being and quality of life. Here are just a few of the ways physical exercises can help you feel better, look better and live better. So, we present before you some coordinated exercises performed by the students of classes 6 to 9.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन भान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तक दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन पान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव, तुम ये सोच लो। वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव, या कि हार का वो भाव, तुम ये सोच लो। या कि पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल, तुम ये सोच लो। रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो, या कि केसरी हो ताल, तुम ये सोच लो। जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत, उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती मसों में आज, फूलती रगों में आज, आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड।
जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे, आसमां तिरंगा सजाना है, शान से सभी को बताएंगे, जीत लेंगे सारा जहां। ख्वाहिशों के
That was really inspiring. May we all fight the spread of the virus and the spread of fear during these times. Now, to celebrate this day with you all, we bring before you some power pack performances, enough to fill every one of us with oodles of power, self confidence, and of course, winning spirit. Do you want to be the best? If yes, then you have to be the best. This is what we learned from karate. Karate is the formation of techniques which help us to instill confidence, willpower, good memory, and concentration. Here are our karate masters who would teach us to protect ourselves from any kind of danger through some basic and advanced techniques and kata.
terrific performance. It has given me goosebumps. The students are entering into the spirit of the occasion in a grand way, and so do you. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. Aerobics is an important part of sports display, which requires amazing discipline, flexibility, fitness, and knowledge. For the practice of love, for the preservation of life, for the preservation of bodies, and for the preservation of family and friends. Our enthusiastic Arvachinians are ready to show the performance full of energy and stamina. So tune yourself and learn some aerobic moves with this colorful and rhythmic performance.
That was a great performance by our energetic friends, and hope it was phenomenal for you too. A healthy nation is always a wealthy nation. Therefore, it is necessary to put emphasis on sports and game. Every ending has a new beginning, and we are sure that you must have enjoyed every bit of today's performances. We would like to express our gratitude to our Honorable Director, Mr. Arun Sharma, and respected Principal, Mrs. Swapna Nair, for their continuous and unending support and encouragement that kept us motivated and charged at this moment of pandemic. A sincere thanks to our teachers who were no less enthusiastic than us to train and guide us for this amazing and wonderful program. Jai Hind! Let's stand for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।